Hello everyone and welcome. So today we have done the entire protection treatment for this BMW 330 and we have also applied the CarPro UVX70, which is the nano ceramic film, the highest performing in its grade. And along with that, we've done something interesting. We've done an entire pre-cut application for this car. So all the panels are machine cut and there is no manual cutting involved in any of the panels of this car. So I just want to show you what all we are covering over here. So in the front, this complicated shape of the M bumpers, this is entirely pre-cut. We are also able to cover the grille. This glossy black is also been protected through the customized software cut PPF. So all these portions, individual pieces have been applied. So you can see the finish is much better than the manual finish. Plus the headlights are also available in the pre-cut. So along with that, even parts like the mirror are available in the drawings. So here in pre-cut, compared to our regular tuck-in process, we don't need to remove any items. So we don't need to take out the mirrors or the door handles or these beadings plus the tail light. So everything can remain fixed on the car while we just apply a template cut piece of PPF onto the panel. And it fits in very neatly. There is no gaps visible. Even coming to the rear of the car, this shape of the diffuser is also pre-cut. So we have the pre-cut drawing for most of the global models and we can easily plot it and we can cut it and we can apply it. So if you have any car where you would not like us to do the dismantling, so we can handle that requirement as well.